The biggest screen size and most expensive iPhones are here, and like the iPhone X that came last year, the new iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max ditch the home button and fingerprint sensor for Face ID facial recognition. The phones will surely stretch your budget, with the iPhone XS Max with a max of 512 gigs fetching $1,449. That's MacBook Pro pricing territory. The cameras are splendid, with features such as Smart HDR that can help you compensate in low light or a challenging photographic environment. One new iPhone feature lets you alter the background blur in a portrait shot even after you've taken the picture. And we've seen that on other phones, but it's new to the iPhone. I have gripes too, starting with the high cost. And though I realize that 4-digit pricing has become the new cost of admission, at least for the top-of-the-line premium phones out there, and that trade-ins and monthly installment plans can help with cash-strapped buyers, it doesn't mean I have to like it. And given such a high price, couldn't Apple at least continue to include the $9 adapter in the box that would let those of us still using wired headphones plug them into these latest iPhones? If you can afford them, these are indeed the best iPhones Apple has ever made. But if price is a turnoff, all may not be lost. A cheaper, though not cheap, new iPhone, the XR, is due out in October. For USA Today, I'm Ed Baig.